Hey everyone, I'm Patrick from BizBuilders, and if you want to start an LLC in Minnesota in 2026 without hiring an expensive lawyer, this is definitely for you. I'm going to show you the actual step-by-step process to get your LLC in Minnesota up and running fast. So here's the thing, you have two options. Option 1. Spend weeks navigating Minnesota's Secretary of State website, filing paperwork, writing operating agreements, getting your EIN, finding a registered agent and, well, hoping you don't mess something up. Or Option 2, let professionals handle everything while you focus on, actually building your business. Now, I tried the DIY route once in Minnesota. Big mistake. Between understanding Minnesota's specific requirements, the $155 online filing fee, annual renewals, finding a proper registered agent with a Minnesota address, and spending countless hours on government websites, I wasted 3 months and still had to pay someone to fix my mistakes. So yeah, not fun. Here's what you actually need to start a Minnesota LLC quickly. First, obviously, your business name. Have a primary choice and a backup that's available in Minnesota. Second, get a registered agent with a Minnesota street address. This person receives legal documents for your LLC. Third, file your articles of organization with Minnesota's Secretary of State. Fourth, get your EIN from the IRS. Fifth, consider getting a Minnesota business license if needed. And sixth, open a business bank account. Now, this sounds simple, but Minnesota has its own quirks. The state requires annual renewals, has specific naming requirements, and the processing times can vary. One mistake can delay everything by weeks. That's why I recommend Tailor Brands. Look, they handle everything. Minnesota registered agent, filing with the state, EIN, operating agreement, even help with your business bank account. Most importantly, they know Minnesota's specific requirements and do it right the first time. Here's the best part. Through our exclusive partnership, you can get started for $0 plus Minnesota's state filing fees. That's literally the cost of doing it yourself, but with professional help and Minnesota expertise. So stop wasting time on paperwork. Use our link in the description. Get your Minnesota LLC formed properly and start building your business today. Trust me, your future self will thank you. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more real business advice. I'll see you in the next video.